Hello, my name's Christopher Paul Stevens, and I'm a studio artist specializing in photorealism. I sell my work through galleries around the globe, having representatives in New York, Montreal, Oregon, and Ireland. I've also had the chance to be commissioned by the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia. I look for the underlying beauty in the mundane and then recreate it with paint and brush. As a photorealist painter, I embrace all forms of technology to produce my works. These tools help me replicate the effects of photography that our eyes usually don't see. For instance, the interaction of light with color when reflecting off steel or chrome. The result is realistic and, at the same time, one step removed from reality through its dependence on the reproduced image. That's what photorealism is all about. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create a photorealistic oil painting using blocking and layering. For the final project, you will complete an artwork on canvas using an image of your choice. First, we'll discuss the basic principles of creating a visually compelling image and the importance of giving the illusion of three-dimensional depth. Then, we'll transfer our reference image from our phone onto the canvas and apply a ground color to it to unify the final composition. After that, we'll start painting by first blocking in the basic shapes and matching our colors. Later, we'll add all the smaller details and thin layers of glaze to the image. Finally, we'll talk a bit about varnishing, its advantages, types, and application. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to go out on your own and capture and transfer an image to a canvas. You will need your smartphone, access to a color printer, and painting tools like a palette, brushes, canvas, the paint, and an easel. Capture light, reflections, and colors like a camera and elevate it to a fine art.